Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. A very interesting story. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, lived a young couple named William and Anna. William was gentle and thoughtful, always carrying a notebook with him. Anna was cheerful and full of energy. She worked as a school teacher in the village. Their life was simple, but there was something special about them. They both loved the English language. Anna had studied English in college before she returned to the village to teach children. William had learned English mostly by reading books and listening to the radio. Sometimes in the evening, they sat together under the old mango tree in their yard, practicing English sentences with each other. "Good evening, Anna. How was your day?" William would ask, speaking slowly and carefully. Anna would smile and reply, "My day was wonderful, William, but now that you are here, it is even better." They laughed together, correcting each other's pronunciation, writing new words in their notebooks. It was their favorite pastime. The villagers sometimes teased them, saying, "Why are you always speaking that strange language? We don't understand a word." But William and Anna did not mind. They knew that English was not just a language, it was a bridge to the world outside their small village. One evening, while walking home from the market, Anna said softly, "William, I have a dream. I want to help our children speak English with confidence. Imagine one day they could write letters to people in other countries or even travel abroad." William looked at her lovingly. "And I want to help the adults too. Many of them struggle when they go to the city. If they knew some English, life could be easier." That night, as the moonlight touched their small house, they made a promise they would teach English not only to themselves but also to the whole village. And so their journey began. The next morning, the village walked slowly under the golden sun. William and Anna were already up, planning their first steps toward their dream. Anna sat at the wooden table, writing a list. "We need a place to teach, some books, and maybe even some chalkboards," she said. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. William smiled. "I think we can use the old barn near the river. It's empty and it has big windows. Sunlight comes in, so it will be perfect for learning." They went to the barn together. Dust covered the wooden floor and old tools hung on the walls. But Anna saw beauty in the old building. "This can be our English school," she said softly, touching the old wood. Over the next few weeks, they worked hard. They cleaned the barn, painted the walls, and arranged some old benches they found in the village school. William made simple posters with the English alphabet, while Anna prepared lessons about greetings, numbers, and simple conversation. William added, "We will teach slowly, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. No one will feel rushed." On the first day of classes, children arrived nervously. Some peeked through the windows, whispering to each other. Adults followed later, curious about what the young couple had created. William and Anna welcomed everyone with smiles. "Good morning, everyone," Anna said, her voice warm and clear. "Today we begin a journey to learn English together." William added, "Learning is not only about words, it is about sharing, helping, and growing together. We are here for you step by step." The children repeated their first English words slowly. Adults tried too, sometimes hesitating, sometimes laughing at themselves. But William and Anna were patient. Every small success was celebrated. After class, as they cleaned the benches and boards, Anna said, William, I think this is the beginning of something beautiful. Look at their faces. They are curious. That is the first step. William looked around, proud and happy. Yes, Anna, and we are doing this together. That is the best part. That evening, under the same mango tree where they practiced English, they reviewed their notes and shared a quiet moment. Do you remember? Anna said softly, when we first promised each other that we would teach English? William nodded. I remember, and now it is not just a dream, it is real. William kissed her forehead gently. Me too. Every word we teach, every sentence we write, it is a little step toward a better life for them and for us. The stars appeared that night, shining like tiny lanterns in the sky, and in their small village a new light had begun to shine, the light of knowledge, love, and hope. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.